Please look at Nana. Force constant Nana. OR spring constant, OR stiffness constant. It is denoted by K. Okay. For example, please look at Nana, all of you. Please look at Nana, all of you. This is the chalk piece now. It easily break. Now it okay break. Now this piece Nana very hard to break. Its meaning is stiffness inversely proportional to length. Its meaning is length lesser, its stiffness is more. Okay? Again I repeat, length is lesser, stiffness is more. Okay? Nana, please look at. In this situation, K into L proportional remove to right constant. Again I repeat, length small, stiffness is more. Okay? Its meaning K inversely proportional to L. KL is constant. Force constant, spring constant, stiffness constant. It is denoted by K. Simply KL is constant. We know the Boyle's law. PV is constant. It write P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Simply K1 L1 equal to K2 L2. Please look at. Okay, what is the formula? KL equal to K1 L1 equal to K2 L2. Okay, please look at all of you Nana. Please look at. KL is K1 L1 equal to K2 L2. Okay. Now I am discuss one problem Nana. Okay. Please look here Nana. This is the spring Nana. Spring constant denoted by K. Or it is called force constant. Spring length is L. This spring cut into two parts. Cut into two equal parts. First spring length is L by 2. Second spring length is L by 2. Once again, Asha, please look here. Spring cut into two pieces, two equal pieces. The question is find spring constant of each piece. This is the question. Before I give one formula, KL equal to K1 L1 equal to K2 L2. Okay, please look here. Now first take these two formulas. Here in the first K is K, L is L. Here K1 is determined, L1 is L by 2. L cancel. What is the K1 value? 2K. Simply, Nana, length is of K is double. Length is of K is double. Please look at. Length is of K is double. Please look at. Next, I am going to discuss restoring force of the spring. Spring, Nana, one end is fixed, other end pulled by applying a force. Pulled by applying a force. Here pull. Left to free. What happens the spring? This spring is restored. Again I repeat. One end of the spring is fixed. Other end is pulled. Other end is pulled. A distance y. Please look at. Other end pulled. A distance y. Again I repeat. Spring, one end fixed, other end pulled, a distance y, and left to free, it will be restored. Its meaning is spring restore. Inside the spring, some force is acting, that is called restoring force. Again I repeat, spring pulled a distance, left to free, again spring is restored. Its meaning restoring force developed in the spring. Restoring force mainly depends upon the distance moved by the spring. 5 meters move in, 5 meters restore. 10 meters move in, 10 meters restore. Simply restoring force is directly proportional to distance moved by the spring, but both are in opposite direction. Okay, here proportional can be removed to write constant. The constant name is k into y. This is the formula for restoring force. What is the formula for restoring force? F equal to minus ky. Here k is called spring constant, force constant, stiffness constant. Y is called distance moved by the spring. Some textbooks it write as elongation of the spring or extension of the spring. Please look here. Series. Here Nana, please look at. This is the first spring. Spring constant is K1. This is next spring. Spring constant is K2. This is another spring. Spring constant is K3. In this situation, load is applied one end and another one is fixed. In this situation, all the springs connected end to end. This combination is called series combination. In this situation, total expansion of the combination is expansion of the first spring, expansion of the second spring, expansion of the third spring. Here why spring is elongated? Because of load. Okay? Total expansion is E1, E2, E3. E1 indicate expansion of the first spring, E2 indicate expansion of the second spring, E3 indicate expansion of the third spring. We know that restoring force formula minus KE. Here right side. E1 write as minus F by K1. Here load share equally in the series combination. Load, this total load shared equally plus E2 write as minus F by K2. E3 write as minus F by K3. E write as minus F by Ks. E effective, K effective. Okay? minus f minus f minus f minus f cancel. Finally it write 1 by ks equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2 plus 1 by k3 and so on. This is the series combination. All springs are connected in series. What is the springs are connected in series formula? 1 by ks equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2 plus 1 by k3 and so on. Next concept is springs are connected in. Springs are connected in parallel. Please look at, this is the first spring, this is the second spring. These springs are connected in parallel. In the first spring, spring constant is k1, spring constant is k2. In the situation, these are parallel combination. In the parallel combination, total load divided into two parts, F1 plus F2. In the series combination, which will be constant? Load. In the parallel combination, this total load shared. Total load is F, sharing F1 plus F2. This spring expansion is E. This spring expansion is E. F equal to minus kx or ky or ke. Here neatly substitute. Finally we get kp equal to k1 plus k2. Simply this is the formula for effective force constant in parallel combination. Two springs aithe n springs are connected in parallel aithe kp equal to k1 plus k2 and so on kn. This formula is n springs connected in parallel. Effective spring constant in parallel combination is write as k1 plus k2 and so on kn. Some textbooks parallel combination write in this manner also. Please look here. This is also parallel combination. Same formula applicable here also. Okay, same formula applicable here also. This combination is what? Parallel combination. Please look at. Here here. This is the spring Please listen the concept. Spring constant K. One end fixed. Other end is attached to the load. This spring is called loaded spring. One end fixed. Other end of the spring is attached to the load. This load is M. Next same diagram. Please look here. Please look here. What happens? This spring is pulled down, left to free. Pulled down and left to free. What happens? This pendulum have oscillate about a mean position. Again I repeat. This pendulum pulled it down. At the distance pull chedam bangaru kondalu y. This pendulum pulled down. This pendulum pulled down a little distance y. Left to free what happens? It will be oscillate about a mean position. About a mean position. Okay? In this situation, this bob or this body moves upward. This is called restoring force. What is the restoring force formula? Minus Ky. In this position, body restore its original position. Restoring force formula minus Ky. But Newton's second law, what is the F value? Ma minus Ky. In SHM, acceleration of the particle is, again I repeat, in SHM, acceleration of the particle is minus omega square y. Right side also minus Ky. Please look at. In this situation, y cancel. Minus minus also cancel. Finally, omega formula is K by M. Here, omega is, please look at, angular frequency. What is the angular frequency formula? Omega equal to under root K by M. Here, K is called force constant or spring constant or stiffness constant. M is mass of the suspended body. Here Nana, now according to question which will be determined time period. Time period formula is 2 pi by omega. Putting omega value here, putting omega value root K by M, it becomes reverse root M by K. This is the formula for time period of the loaded spring. What is the formula for time period of the loaded spring? 2 pi under root M by K. Under root M by K. Please look at. Next, Nana, we discuss frequency. Frequency of the loaded spring formula is reciprocal of the time period. Reciprocal of the time period means it will be reciprocal 1 by 2 pi 1 by 2 pi under root K by M. This is the formula for frequency of the loaded spring. What is the time period of the loaded spring? 2 pi under root M by K. What is the frequency of loaded spring? 1 by 2 pi under root K by M. Please look at. Please look at. In the situation, this is the spring Nana. Here which will be attached body mass is smaller. In this situation, spring mass neglect. Spring mass neglect Nana. Massless spring generally. But in the some situation, this is the mass of the load now. Some situation, spring mass also consider, that is Ms. Here Ms is mass of the spring. Spring mass neglect, time period of the loaded spring formula is 2 pi under root M by K. Now a new time period. In this situation, mass of the spring also consider. Formula directly I given 2 pi under root M plus Ms by 3 whole by K. Derivation not required. Again I repeat. Here spring mass neglect M by K. Mass of the load by spring constant. Spring mass consider. What is the new time period formula? 2 pi under root m plus ms by 3 whole by k. K is spring constant. Ms is mass of the spring. Mass of the spring. Mass of the spring. Please look here. Okay, please look at Nana. Nana, this is the spring pendulum. Nana, please look at loaded spring. This spring pendulum placed in gravity free space. The best example is center of the earth. Inside the artificial satellite inside, gravity becomes zero. Inside the earth, at center of earth, gravity becomes zero. A lift freely falling, inside the lift is net acceleration due to gravity zero. In this situation, gravity free space, simple pendulum does not oscillate. Yesterday I discussed. Simple pendulum does not oscillate. But spring pendulum oscillate nana because T formula is 2 pi under root m by k. Nana, in the situation, time period only depends upon the mass of the load and spring constant. Does not depends upon the gravity. So that's why this spring pendulum suspended inside the artificial satellite, this pendulum have oscillate. But simple pendulum does not oscillate. Please look here. This spring pendulum first placed in suspended in air. Its time period is T. Here. This spring pendulum now the suspended in liquid. What happens in the new time period? This is the question. Please look at. What is your answer? Initially, spring pendulum, not simple pendulum. Spring pendulum in the air. Air is suspended in air. Its time period T. Next, this same spring pendulum suspended in the liquid. What happens in the time period? What is the time period formula? 2 pi under root m by k. K mainly depends upon the length of the spring. Same spring here. So length does not change. K does not change. This body placed in liquid, weight decrease because of buoyancy, but mass does not change. G changes, not mass. So weight changes nana, kani mass change avadu. Mass of the body is always fixed. So mass constant, K constant, time period also constant. T dash equal to T. Its meaning, initially 1.42 seconds is given. Now also 1.42 seconds. This is the final exam question. Conceptual question. Very important question.